Okay, I had a slow puncture which went into a big puncture. Now you can say you're going to replace it, punch your tyre, or you can get yourself a plug. That is a plug. Just done 50 miles, perfect place to have a plug. If it's on the side, it's no good. 50 miles, perfect fucking plug. You can get a cheap kit in supermarkets which are shit unless you're on a moped. This kit is 15 quid in a bike shop. Use a pair of pliers to take out the nail or whatever it is. You then screw this in to make a uniform hole. Take one of these, put it through there, shove it all the way into the hole, and then pull it out, leaving about that much hanging out. Take the razor blade, cut off the excess, leaving about that much on there. Just take it careful for about 20-30 miles. Garages will sell you the kit. They won't do the job because they don't want to get sued. Unless you say, I'll give you 15 quid to do it, cash in hand, no questions asked, in which case they'll do it. And of course, that's me tour, surrounded by smackheads.